A very good evening, and Sports Club President, Mr. Nitin Bandekar, to escort Mr. Samford Kodagama. The club, which has Brazilian connection after the famous Brazilian Club de Regatas Vasco
since last 10 years. Last season was a little bit sloppy. Few of our main players left us in the middle for the better opportunities. So it was a little sloppy. But this year I'm very much excited because being a pandemic situation, we have managed to get Xiolim Deck as the main sponsors along with Hopping Frog and the Rev Nation as the associate sponsors. We have also roped in Supreme Sports as our kit partners, Aquila Sports Management as the technical partners, Flash Eye as the media partners. We are also looking for some more sponsors and partners so that we can participate in the I-League second division. It is my dream to see Port Towners once again in the national level.
First of all, sincere apologies for coming late. We live in Vasco, so coming to Anjuna is coming to a different place. So it really took time and we were just going round and round. So sorry, ma'am. For the launch of the official jersey for this year's football team. First of all, thank you to all the sponsors, that is Xiolim Deck, Hopping Frog, the media partners, the marketing team, the kit partners. Thank you for your support. Actually, without a good team, marketing, the kit, everybody else forms a part of the team. It's good to see the players here. I hope that you all have a great season. Thank you for the introduction given about Vasco Sports Club. Yes, it's one of the oldest. It was one of the top 5 contenders for the I-League. Today, I think, as Ravish said, we did perform well the last 2 years, and this year we hope that we will perform well. There'll be no crowd to support you all, but I'm sure that motivation lies high within oneself, because when you play for the team, and when you have probably the whole entire nation watching you all on TV, so you will feel that there's a lot of support that you will get. So good wishes for the entire tournament. All the sponsors, because it was very difficult to get the sponsors, and thank you for believing that the club can do well. Thank you for your support. We hope that you would continue to support us for more seasons. Vasco Sports Club, primarily a football club, but as you all know, or this part of Goa may not know, because as I said, it's a little bit away from Vasco. We also organize marathons. So we organize one of the best, topmost marathons in India, that's called the Goa River Marathon. It's held every December. We're doing it for the last 10 years. Only last year, that is 2020, we could not have a full event because of the COVID restrictions, but this year we'll be back with a bang. This is a small marketing talk where people from Anjuna should come all the way to Vasco and participate in the Goa River Marathon, because it's one of the best. As I said, it's regarded as one of the top 5 events in India. So that's about running. We come back to football. So once again, on behalf, and thank you, I must thank Mario D'Souza and the members who were instrumental in bringing up the team from the early ages. So they have been big contributors to Vasco, to the sports team, the Vasco football team. So thank you, Mario and Stanley. Thank you once again, everybody. Thank you, Ravish. Mickey, do say also your team. The team will perform, and if not top 5, I mean, we should target top 3, but if not, at least the top 5 should be okay. So best wishes. Thank you very much. And
Madam, you all don't have to look so sad. Come on, little smiles on your face.
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to welcome everyone to the official launch event here at Hopping Frog this evening. We are honored and pleased to announce our collaboration with Vasco Sports Club. Vasco is my hometown, so this collaboration is very dear to my heart. A 70-year-old club, Vasco Sports Club, currently plays for Goa Professional League. I wish all the players the best and loads of luck. Cheers. I would also like to thank the club president, Nitin Bandekar, club director, Mr. Ravish Navekar, and head coach, Mr. Mickey Fernandez, for making all this happen. I won't take much of your time, but have a nice evening and stay on. And thank you again for coming. Thanks.
Vasco fans as well. When can we expect Vasco back again on the bigger stage?
Yes, actually, that's a relevant question. As I said, the team is good. So are the officials. So is the team management. To get into the big league, you need support. You need a lot of sponsors. You need many supporters and who could actually take you over there. So I would first of all request the present sponsors to continue contributing to the club, so that if we perform well, I'm sure that they would know that the team is good. And if they are with us, then I'm sure that we can get more sponsors. And by this time, I think we should look at about 2 to 3 years to get back into the top league. That's what I guess will be the vision of the club. Am I right? Yeah. Yeah. So I think that concurs the thing. So maybe 2 years, maybe.
This season, if not, maybe next season. But my plans are to take Vasco to the top level.
Thanks. But on behalf of Vasco Sports Club, a big thank you to all our sponsors for coming forward and extending their valuable financial support, to all the media, officials, the electronic media. And as the sun sets, this venue becomes more lively. If somebody likes to stay for some time, you can wait for longer. And